Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Meenakshi, and my friend Habibunisa. We are pursuing 7th standard in Sri Sai Vidya Theatre English Medium High School. Now we are here to perform Peppa conversation at the shopping mall. In this conversation, my character is customer and my friend character is salesperson. Let's start. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our shop. Good afternoon, dear. Thank you. What are you looking for, ma'am? I am looking for blackberry suit. Suits are available in first floor, ma'am. Please go there. Okay, thank you for the information. Excuse me, ma'am. How can I help you? Please show me blazers. Which company do you prefer, ma'am? Please give me blackberry brand. What is your size, ma'am? Please give me small size. Here is your size, ma'am. Please try. Where is the trial room? The trial room is in the corner of this room, ma'am. It suits me a lot. Please pack it. I will send it to the bill counter. Please pay the bill there, ma'am. Sure. Please pay us 5,000 rupees, ma'am. Do you accept credit card? Yes, we do, ma'am. Here is my card. Please swipe it. Kindly enter the bill, ma'am.